The man accused of shooting his neighbor in Minneapolis makes his first court appearance today. 54-year-old John Sawchak faces attempted murder and other charges for shooting his neighbor in the neck as he was cutting down a tree in his front yard. Fox 9's Karen Scullen with an update on this case tonight. Karen?
Well, this case, of course, has gotten very controversial. A lot of people believing Minneapolis police should have done a lot more to bring John Sawchak into custody before the shooting, especially since Davis Maturi filed 19 reports with Minneapolis about his neighbor. Today, John Sawchak faced a judge for the first time for second-degree attempted murder and other charges. He's accused of shooting his neighbor, Davis Maturi, in the neck as he cut down a tree last week in his front yard. In court today, while arguing bail, Hennepin County prosecutor brought up that Sawchak had a civil commitment in 2016 that expired in 2017, and that 10 people had filed restraining orders against Sawchak in the last 15 years. The public defender saying he denies the current allegations against him and that he has no felony convictions. The judge gave Sawchak a $1 million bail with no conditions, or $600,000 with conditions that include, in part, a 3-block no-contact order with Maturi or his wife, which means he could not live at home. He also cannot have firearms. He would be on electronic home monitoring as well. Sawchak said he could not make bail and repeatedly asked the judge how he can file a restraining order against the Maturis, who, quote, keep coming on my property. He also accuses them of stalking him. His attorney explained to him now was not the time to discuss that.
You're a vandal.
Stay away from me.
The victim in this case had filed 19 reports with Minneapolis police regarding Sawchak. Maturi even documenting some of the issues on video. Those reports included vandalism, theft, and threats of violence. Sawchak was arrested yesterday after a 5-hour standoff with Minneapolis police. Currently, Sawchak remains in the Hennepin County Jail. Now, if Sawchak did make bail, the judge said she would allow him to go home for one day with a police escort to secure the home and collect some belongings. For now, though, again, he does remain in the Hennepin County Jail. We're live in Minneapolis. Karen Scullen, Fox 9.